Hi friends, it's me, your friend Jenny. I am on my way to zoo. Would you like to come along with me too? Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Let's go to the zoo. Hey friends, we can see funny pandas. And also king of the jungle lions. And also stronger gorillas. We will see funny penguins. And also giant elephants. We will see tall giraffes. And also very beautiful flamingos. Finally, we will see hopping kangaroos. Let's go to the zoo and watch them today. Let's see which animal we will visit first. Ooh, pandas! Panda is my favorite. Come on, I can't wait. Ooh, look at this adorable panda. A giant panda is a black and white bear. They are strong and hairy and are very rare. They live in a forest and stay with their mother till they're 3 years old. Panda spends most of the day eating bamboo, sometime up to 12 hours. 60 pounds a day, it is a lot to chew. Do you think you can chew as much bamboo as a panda does? Me neither. Now I wonder where we go next. Look! A lion! It's the king of the jungle. Wow, just look at its big fluffy mane. It's so cool! Let's go to see it up close. Lions are part of the cat family, only much bigger and stronger. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Imagine roaring so loud that everyone in your neighborhood could hear it. Lions love to nap. They can sleep for up to 20 hours a day to save their energy for hunting. That's like sleeping all day long. Can you imagine sleeping that much? Let's pretend to be lions and give a big yawn. Ready? Roar! Great job, little lions. Let's see who else we can find. Oh, it's gorillas. Gorillas are fascinating. Here we go. Gorillas are the biggest among monkeys. They are super strong, 6 times stronger than grown-ups. But don't worry, they are gentle giants. Baby gorillas, called infants, are tiny when they're born, about the size of a watermelon. They ride on their mommy's back until they're big enough to walk. Gorillas make their own beds out of leaves every night. Imagine building a new bed every day. How fun is that? If you were a gorilla, what would you use to make your nest? Leaves, pillows, or blankets? That sounds so comfy. Okay, let's go to the next. What do you think? Which animal is it? Wow! Penguins, do you love to swim like they do? Let's start and watch this amazing penguin swims. Penguins can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers. They zoom through the water like little rockets, using their flippers to swim fast. Baby penguins are called chicks. They are covered in fluffy gray feathers when they're born to keep them warm. Look at this funny penguins. They waddle like this when they walk and sometimes slide on their bellies to move faster. Can you waddle like a penguin? Let's try it together. That was perfect. You're amazing, little penguins. Let's see what animal is on our next stop. Oh, we are going to see elephants. They are so gigantic, especially compared to me. Let's go take a look. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They can weigh as much as a school bus. Elephants have huge ears that help them stay cool. They flap their ears like fans to beat the heat. Did you know baby elephants use their trunks like we use our hands? And sometimes, they suck on their trunks just like human babies suck their thumbs. Can you swing your arm like an elephant's trunk? It's fun! Let's do it together. Swing, swing. Ooh, we have seen some pretty awesome animals so far, haven't we? And there are more still to see. Hooray! Get ready to look up to see the giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Their necks alone can be 6 feet long, taller than most grown-ups. Giraffes mostly eat leaves from tall trees like acacias. They can eat up to 34 kilograms of leaves every day. Did you know giraffes have super long tongues, about 18 to 20 inches, 45 to 50 centimeters? Their tongues are purple. They can even lick their own ears. That helps them reach the tastiest leaves high up in the trees. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe to reach something high? Let's try. Amazing! Let's see what's next. Flamingos! I just love their beautiful pink feathers. They are so pretty. Let's go take a closer look. Flamingos are famous for their pink feathers. They get their color from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. Without it, they'd be gray or white. Flamingos have super long legs and necks that help them wade through water and reach food at the bottom of lakes. Why do they stand on one leg like they do? That is how they sleep. I can't do that. Can you? Flamingos live in huge groups called flocks, sometimes with thousands of birds. Imagine seeing a whole sea of pink birds together. Flamingos can swim and flamingos can fly. What a sight to see hundreds of pink birds in the sky. Wow, did you see how flamingos sleep with their heads resting on their backs? Can you do that? I sure can't. Let's see which animal is at our next stop. It's kangaroos. I love their hopping. Aren't they cool? Let's hop and learn more about them. Female kangaroos have a pouch on their tummy where they carry their babies called joeys. The joey stays in the pouch until it's big enough to hop on its own. Kangaroos have super strong back legs. Their long, thick tails help them balance while hopping and also act like a third leg when they stand still. Kangaroos are famous for hopping. They can jump really far, up to 25 feet in one leap, and as fast as 35 miles per hour. That's awesome! Can you hop like a kangaroo? Let's try it together. Hop, hop, hop. So much fun! Wow, what an amazing day at the zoo! We had so much fun at zoo together, didn't we? And there are so many more animals we can learn about, too! Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more fun trips. See you next time. Bye!